Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a ledger register. A ledger register is a simple yet powerful tool for keeping track of your money. It's essentially a detailed logbook for all financial activities related to a specific account, like your checking or savings. By consistently recording every transaction, you gain a clear, real-time picture of your available balance. This practice is fundamental for sound financial management, helping you avoid surprises and maintain control over your funds. When recording a transaction, begin by noting the exact date and a unique transaction number, if applicable. Next, provide a concise description, such as grocery store or paycheck deposit. For payments or withdrawals, enter the amount in the debit column. For deposits, use the credit column. The most crucial step is to calculate your new running balance after each entry, ensuring it reflects the current funds available in your account. This meticulous approach keeps your records precise. Balancing your ledger register is a vital step to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. This involves comparing your personal records with your bank's official statement, typically once a month. Look for any transactions that appear on one record, but not the other, or any differing amounts. Mark off each item in your register as it clears the bank. This process helps you identify outstanding checks or deposits and ensures your available balance is always correct. Using a ledger register offers numerous benefits, including preventing costly overdraft fees and providing peace of mind. It serves as an invaluable historical record, aiding in budget planning and simplifying tax preparation. For best practices, make it a habit to record transactions immediately, ideally within 24 hours. Review your register daily or every few days to stay informed about your spending and available funds. This simple habit empowers you with greater financial control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.